So I started creating a compost because I wanted to start making them, and I was doing a lot of research over the weekend, understanding what compost boxes are, what to add in there, and turns out there's actually quite a bit of science in there in terms of the elements needed, and elements will include potassium, so I added banana peel, calcium, so I have eggshells, and there are also other sources of elements which comes from vegetable scraps, and I think onion skin, garlic skin. So I'm not adding what's it called? I'm not adding. Oh, I did not add any meat because otherwise it would smell. And something that I forgot, because there needs to be a carbon nitrogen balance, is carbon. Everything that is in here is nitrogen, because things that come from living things or food has nitrogen. And so for carbon, I'm getting paper towels to put it in. Just pressing it. And we shall see. So I have this little box outside my house. It's not under the sun. I just put a do not throw sign over here, and it's filling quite a bit now. So 3/4 maybe, or 2/3. It's not smelling. It's just sitting down here. There are no insects. So we shall see. I think everything is pretty good. I feel like eating marble cake, so we made marble cake. It smells so good. And I had all the ingredients except baking powder. So instead of baking powder, I added instead of 1 teaspoon of baking powder, it's 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lemon or cream of tartar. But I don't have cream of tartar, and it turns out perfect. It's so nice, and I can't wait to eat it tomorrow. It's Friday morning, and it's about almost a week since I made my compost, and this is what it looks like now. I do see some flies in there. I think it's normal, and I think I'm just going to cover it more with paper towel, because it needs carbon. And as for the other stuff, I think it's going quite well. So we shall see. I'm at my compost again, and what I've done is to take a spoon to kind of press it down just to see if it's working. And it is, but I realized that I have a lot of food scraps but not enough carbon. So I'm taking eggshell, the thing to put eggs, and putting it in. I don't think you have to press it in, but I'm just doing that because there's a bit of water. Some people have like holes in the bottom to allow water to drip out, but I didn't want to do that because I'm worried that it would breed mosquitoes. So I'm just going to put the paper in to absorb the water and also allow it to be part of my compost. And there is really no smell, so that's good. Back at my compost. I'm gonna mix it this time. almost 2 weeks since I made the compost, and I'm just going to check it out now. So this is the compost. There is no smell, there is no insects, maybe 1 or 2 just general flies around, so it's clean, it's fine. It was feeling quite warm before, so what I'm going to do is just going to mix it up and make sure that it's not too warm. It was quite warm a few days before, but now it's okay because it was raining and it's in the shelter, so it did not get affected, but I think the temperature has gone down quite a bit. When I put my hands in, I could still feel it's a bit warm. So it's almost 2 weeks, and I'm going to just mix it around and see how it is. Okay. So there is some smell, but it smells like soil. You know, like the earthy smell. After giving it a stir, it looks normal, it looks just dark, and it's turned into quite a compost. I've got a bit on my hands, and it smells alright. It smells like soil. It's a bit damp, so I think it's normal. I'm just going to I think I'm going to put it for 2 more days, and then I think it's ready for use. Yeah, not everything is completely completely gone, so you could still see some bits and pieces of egg and onion skin. So I think I'm going to give it a few more days and we'll check back again.